So now let's move to the importance of UI design. So UI design basically a good UI design basically enhances the experience. So if there's this law that I've forgotten the person that states that users automatically think that a good, like something that's well designed, works well. Something with a beautiful interface automatically works well, right? That's the assumption of users. So if you make sure that your interface is well designed, is professional looking, is intuitive, has the colors placed in the way it should place, using good typography, good spacing, good white space, good layout and everything, it enhances your user's experience. You know that there are some apps that you use just because like the interface is good, like it's nice to use. Me, like this personally, there are some websites that I go to explore because like it's been designed in a way that attracts my attention, that I find intriguing, right? So it enhances your user's experience. And once you've been able to enhance user experience, you've been able to create a good user experience for your users, you're able to retain them. So user retention basically means that you keep your users that come to your product, or you keep your users that come to your app, and you keep them coming back for more. That is what user retention means. You get it? So you create a good user experience, and that enables your user to keep coming back for more. So the good user experience enables the user retention. If your experience is good, your users will keep coming back for more. That's what user retention means. You keep your users, so they keep coming back for more, coming back. That's why Instagram has a lot of active followers in a month, and TikTok also has a lot of active followers in a month because of good user experience. You get it? Okay, and it also gives you a good UI design, also gives you like a competitive advantage. It makes you stand out from your competition, right? It makes you stand out from people. And then you're able to improve the business's revenue. As a designer, when you're designing, you shouldn't only think of like the interface. The main reason why you're designing the interface for your business, for a business, or the experience for a business, is because of profit, right? So in as much as you are focusing on the user, you should also look at what is beneficial for the business. Did you get it? So yeah, so in your design, you should cajole your users to perform certain actions that are good for them but also good for the business. So this thing should work hand in hand. Yes, you are considering your users, but the real reason why you are solving the reason why you are solving your problem is just so you can also make some profits, right? So if you have a good UI design which leads to good user retention, then you are able to improve revenue for the business. Revenue is basically the money that comes into the business, right? So that's one importance of a UI designer. You improve business revenue and then give good advantage, user retention, and then good user experience. There are more out there, but these are the 4 I decided to explain today. Did you get them? Okay, so for the week, this assignment I'll give you, go and look for like real world working apps. It could be apps that you're already using. Take them, create a screenshot, and identify the UI design there, and then the UX design there. You get it? And then when we come back, so look for apps, real world like apps that are working or apps that you already use. So take apps that you're already using, or you can look for new apps that are actually working. No apps that are just designed and there that they've not created. Real world working apps. Look for them, and then identify the UX design in there, and then the the UX in there, and then the UI in there. Like, take screenshots of them and then list down the differences. Do that for 3 apps. Yeah, do that for 3 apps, and then you present it next week before we start our class. Yes, so that's your assignments for the week. Okay, and then yeah, thank you. So like, yes, so I think we have like 1 hour left, so let's use like a few minutes to go through Figma. Or I'm sure you already have a setup, but then it would be nice to take you through how to download the Figma in case someone asks you